Isn't it pretty? I love my new shirt. That's right, I got some of the items from the Burger King Naruto collection. So far I got the white t-shirt and I got Neji and Kakashi. But I also really want broccoli. Today we have an order from Charlotte. She has ordered one of my Apothecary Diary sticker sheet, but I don't have one ready at the moment, which means I have to make one. So come with me. That's so cute. How cute.
No, you're not, sir. Okay, that doesn't mean they're any less painful if you're inside. Not supposed to be there now.
Snorlax the cashier and Clefairy the customer checking out. I love them so much. Today I'm gonna be working on some things for my upcoming big con. I'll be stocking up my sticker sheets, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I also have like another one of those 3D puzzles, I guess you can call them that, or DIY houses, just like the one that I finished. And I'm gonna be fighting it with my all to start building that one right away. I gotta create things for the big con. I gotta focus. centimeters. I would say that is some relevant growth. Something just arrived in the mail. I think I know what it is. It's an order from this artist. I'm actually not sure if this is a single individual artist or if this is like a small business company. Oh my god, I got a freebie! This is so cute! I have no idea who this is. But I got a free charm. I love it. And this is what I actually ordered. This is the Jingshi's frog. I saw it on Instagram and I knew that I had to get this for my Apothecary Diaries corner. Oh man, I'm such a child, but like this is so funny. Look at his little butt. That's so cute. Found out that the shade that I use for my Gengar keychains is discontinued, meaning they're not making it anymore. It's been sold out for a while. I noticed that online because I was desperately looking for it. I managed to order 6 packs, but it always sucks when this happens because it means I have to organically create the shade, and that's usually pretty hard. Hey, I still got 6 packs coming my way, so not everything is bad. With that being said, I'm gonna get some bubble tea now. I can explain. I'm starting to think that I have always something new to show in my videos because I feel like every video has an unboxing of something right now. I guess it keeps things interesting, but at the same time, no, I'm not ordering things all the time, just for the record. This time, we have something that is actually really useful for me. It's this. This is used to help you mix clay. I've wanted one of these for a while, but they're not expensive. They're like 30 euros and that's still some money. So I've kind of been pushing ordering this. But the truth is that when you're mixing large amounts of clay, which is usually my case because when I make keychains, I make many units, so I'm mixing a lot of clay for long hours. What was starting to happen was that my hands would hurt from mixing the clay. I feel like it was definitely time to get one of these and spare my hands. I also got a new mattress for my silhouette and a new blade. I'm not in need of these yet, but in case something happens to the ones that I'm using right now, I have new ones. And lastly, I finally got some clay. I was missing these colors to make the Oshawott keychains, so now I can start working on that.
above your head.
To express her grief.
The best.